This says, use what you know about exponential notation to complete the expressions below. Repeated multiplication can be rewritten as an exponent. So if we have negative 5 being multiplied together 17 times, 17 becomes the exponent. One thing that happens here, though, is when the negative is also being multiplied 17 times, we need to make sure that's included, which is why we use those parentheses. How many times is 3.7 being multiplied out? How many times is 7 being multiplied out? This one, since the 6 is being multiplied 4 times, we need 6 to the 4th power. Since this one is being multiplied out 13 times, we need 4.3 to the 13th power. Notice, this one comes with parentheses. So in our answer, we also want parentheses. And since it's multiplied out 9 times, that becomes our exponent. Try the next few from question 1 on your own. Here you need to answer with it in exponential form. Here you need to write what the exponent is. It doesn't change just because it's a variable. Notice, the exponent gets written down here. The exponent is written down here. Exponent goes down there. Exponent goes down there. So just because the exponent looks a little different than a number doesn't change the process. Then try these ones as well. Just because it's a letter now doesn't change the process. In this one, we were multiplying out the 12s, so that's the base. In this one, we're multiplying out the a's, so it is the base. The exponent happens m times, so that is our exponent. Number 2 says write an expression with -1 as its base. That means it's the big number on the bottom. That will produce a positive product, and explain why your answer is valid. If I multiply -1 by -1, we get +1. That happened 2 times. If I multiply -1 3 times, well, -1 times -1 is +1, and then times a -1 would make it negative. So that doesn't work. But if I did it one more time, it would get back to a positive number. This works because the exponent is even. If you have an even number, then the result will be positive. So how do you think we're going to get a negative result? How about 7 times? Would that give us a negative result? Yes, because the exponent is an odd number. In number 4, it says rewrite these using 2 as the base. Meaning, how many times do I need to multiply 2 by itself to get to 8? 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8, and that means I needed to do it 3 times. What if I multiplied 8 by 2? What would that give me? 8 times 2 is 16, which means I need one more 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 4 2s. 4 times 4 is 16. That's a way that you can check. 32. Well, that's 16 times 2, so it must be one more 2 than before.